might have been completely new to the whole process. And so from here on, what we will start doing is we'll start using lesser words and just using words as if, it's as if just bare minimum which is required. And it's only when there's a complete urge to speak is when one speaks. Until then, silence is perfectly good here. Okay? And as far as possible, use the I language when you're representing. Okay? And with that, over to you, Deepa. Tell me, what is it about and what would you like to explore?
Yeah, I think this is a question that may, many people would have it in their mind. I have seen a lot of shift in my life that was before marriage and after marriage. Everybody goes through the changes, new family, new, but everywhere. If I was, very well working before marriage, after marriage, whatever I've worked with has gone into, losses and stuff. Being so much into healings, meditations, Reiki practitioner, everything, still, not able to cope up with things. And husband dominance, yes, of course. So that actually is affecting a lot.
Deepa, may I please ask you to just take a deep breath in and exhale out. And just stay connected with yourself. Please do this. Whenever you want, you could open your eyes. Okay. And could you just share with us in brief, what is the presenting issue? What would you exactly like to explore?
Me and my husband's relationship.
You and your husband's relationship. Okay, so I need a representative for Deepa, and I'll ask for a representative for the husband. And if it's okay, I can ask. I see Sonal.
Sonal, Aram, and Pallavi, and Dr. Priya Thakur. Your video is not on, so I'm so sorry not being able to take you on.
So may I just ask Pallavi to stand in for Deepa's husband? And before you come into the field, I would first ask Sonal to step in as Deepa. And just connect to the matrix, connect to the field. And now I would ask Deepa's husband to step in as well.
We have Aram here for that.
Pallavi is standing in for.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, yes.
Okay, and let's just stay connected with ourselves and breathe a bit here. And I'm just going to turn over to Deepa's representative. How does it feel here right now?
Feeling very anxious.
I'm feeling very anxious. Okay. And how is the husband feeling?
I'm feeling very disconnected.
I'm feeling very disconnected. And coincidentally, just the way the husband, when the representative stepped in, the way the representative was looking already looked like is not very much present here with the wife. Okay. Okay. Where does Deepa's representative, where do you feel you're looking at?
My husband.
Sorry, my?
Husband.
I'm looking at my husband. And where is the husband's attention going?
Down.
Could you please repeat that?
Down.
Exactly. The husband is looking down. Okay. At this place, I'm going to need one more representative here. Okay.
Aram here.
I can see Aram here. Aram, I'm going to ask you to stand in, looking in the direction where the husband looks at. So if you want, you can inform me, how do you feel? You're sitting, lying down?
Lying down.
Lying down? Okay. Okay.
And my eyes are closed.
And my eyes are closed. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to the husband. How are you experiencing this? Are you, as you look down, you look at somebody who's lying down?
My chest is heavy.
My chest is heavy. Are you able to keep your eyes open and see? Are you able to keep your eyes open and see the one who's lying down?
Yes.
Yes. And I'm going to come back to Deepa's representative. How is it feeling for you there?
Jittery feeling in my stomach.
I have a jittery feeling in my stomach. I'm going to just check in with Deepa, the client. How are you doing there right now? Deepa, you would have to unmute if you would like to speak.
I'm also feeling the same way as my representative said, feeling very jittery all of a sudden. I mean, I was just sitting normal.
Jittery all of a sudden. Okay. And how do you feel about the one who's lying down? Do you feel you're able?
Dil baat raha hai kind of that feeling, wherein where your fear and anxiety is just merging in together.
Your fear
That kind of a feeling.
The fear and anxiety is
Yeah.
merging in together over there. Okay. And where do you feel your attention goes to? The husband or the one who's lying down?
The one who is lying down.
And the one who's lying down. Okay, so here I'm actually in two minds over here, because I understand that we are going into a path which is a very personal relationship here. Would you like to continue the constellation here, or would you like to stop here, Deepa? Everything is okay here.
I would like to continue.
Like to continue here. So is it okay if I ask you a personal question here?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you experienced any loss of children or deaths in the family?
I lost my father-in-law, but and I had 2 abortions, but through my own will.
You had 2 abortions here. Okay. And I understand this is a very sensitive place for any mother or any parent here. And could you just look at the one who's lying down there? And this is where I'm going to ask the representative also to hold space for the client and look at the one who's lying down. And tell me, what are the first thoughts, first feelings that come up for Deepa's representative?
I'm scared of looking down.
Scared of looking down. Okay. And I'm going to move over to the husband there. What is the husband experiencing?
Feeling very emotional.
I'm very emotional.
Yeah.
And could you look at the one who's lying down and say, I'm very emotional?
I'm very, very emotional.
You can hear it in the representative voice. And for the representative who's lying down on the floor, how are you doing there?
So when I started the representation, I was feeling that I'm part of Deepa. I am Deepa. And the moment she said children, since then I'm feeling a lot of suffocation.
Yeah.
It felt a slight bit better when the father said that he feels emotional, but I still have this weird, some lump here, as if I cannot breathe anymore. It's somebody strangled me.
Somebody strangled you. And Deepa, the client, how do you feel when you actually hear this sentence being said? Okay, you're on mute, Deepa. I'm just going to go to the representative for Deepa.
Revati, I missed what the other person said after connecting herself to the child.
That's interesting. And this is where some place we call as the movement in the here and now. Can the representative just repeat the last line? Just the last line.
Feel strangled.
Feel strangled. And what just happens to the father there, the husband?
I am very restless.
Very restless.
I wish I could have done something.
I wish I could have done something. Okay. Okay. And I can see Deepa has gone off the video here. And so once again, I'm in sort of in two minds over here, because this is a very sensitive place where we are at. And I'll just come once to the representative for Deepa because she's raised her hand.
There's a lot of upset, and I'm trying to gather courage to look at the one who's lying, but I'm not able to.
Naturally. Yeah. It's okay if you look at the one who's lying down and say the sentence, "This is too much for me."
This is too much for me.
Okay, and I think with that, I think we will time out the constellation here, because I can see the client has gone off video here, and out of respect and holding space for her, let's please time out the constellation. And I would once again thank all the representatives for just standing in here. Take a deep breath out and take a step back. And let's just take this one small moment of silence here, because this was a deeply moving constellation. Okay, thank you so much. And so once again, what we are also observing here is that there is something else beyond what is immediately being seen or described, which is existing in the system, which is waiting to be revealed here, and which is why this is a very sensitive process. And which is one of the reasons, even in the earlier demo, we decided to time it out at a certain point, because very sensitive areas like this can come up, and we need to be in a space to kind of hold space for the client. We need to understand that we are a complete service to the client over here, and in a lot of places for all the observers as well. Something very raw about our life is moving. Just by observing the constellation, by representing, something moves for us there. And this is very deep-seated work where we allow this to also take place in silence, without even using too many words. And at this moment, I won't even be surprised if somebody feels that, oh, Revati is talking too much. I just need this moment of silence there. That's how that's how much sensitive we are.
Absolutely. And as you said, little moment of silence.